What's up? I'm Colton Udall. I'm here at the Baja Rally. I earned the #1 last year. I'm super excited to be back at the Baja Rally again. This is my 4th year, and it's going to be an amazing time. You should be racing with me.
Yeah, we're here 2025 Baja Rally. First time at Baja Rally. Last year came here as my buddy Colton Udall's mechanic, and this year going to be banging bars with him, doing some racing. So really looking forward to the week and having some fun.
So we're here at the Baja Rally, and we're changing the number 5 to a #1. Check it out, check it out. Yeah. But we're here installing the Rally Comp. This is a tracking device. You check it out here. This tells us, you know, our speeds, our kilometer, if we have any penalties at the end of the day. So we're setting up, you know, they have multiple antennas. It kind of makes a mess on the handlebars, but this is basically our tracking unit. Read the road book and the kilometers to project us through Baja, and there's no markings on the race course. It's just about reading and riding. So it's kind of like texting while driving, which is supposed to be illegal. But yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. Just setting up the tracking device. We're going to go test our unit, and then we'll race tomorrow.
Excellent. And what do you think about racing this year against
Ciaran?
Yeah.
Last year, Ciaran was my mechanic and helped me with you know, all the mental advice. No, I'm really excited to have him here. I begged for him to show up this year, and I wanted all my other friends to show up too. So I'm excited to have Ciaran as a competitor, and we're gonna have a lot of fun because I haven't navigated in a whole year. So we'll see how this race goes, and it's just about fun anyways. It's at my age, I'm just about having fun.
Cut off. Look.
For number 10, and you're expecting to get #1 from Colton?
Yeah, we got the number 10. I asked for number 11, but that was already taken. That's my normal go-to number, but yeah, we're gonna try our best to make that number happen for next year.
Great.
Any questions on how to operate this? I'm not going around the room. You guys get it? And let us know if you have questions or problems in the process.
What's up, dirt bike enthusiasts? How are you?
I'm doing great, and you?
Yeah, day 1. It's a fine morning, and we're here in San Quintin, and it's going to be a fun 190 Ks.
I want a lot of wheelies for your pictures.
A lot of wheelies, yeah. I'll bring it.
good besides that?
Yeah, everything was great. That was a really fun course, a lot of nav.
Right?
I actually got lost for like a good chunk of time too. But that was super fun. Today, around kilometer 210-ish, we had some real off-piste, off-track, like kind of up a valley and everything, and definitely was challenging. I know I kind of was a little off with my cap readings and did a few circles trying to find a waypoint, but we eventually found it, and you know, I was a little worried. I thought Colton was going to catch me right there, but couldn't see him, so looks like I got a little bit of a gap on him, so we'll see how it goes into day 6.
537K.
Oh yeah.
You want it?
It's nice and cold.
What?
Sponsors happy, right?
Not good, you know. I was winning and now I'm not, and I'm just happy to be healthy, to tell you the truth. I made a mistake and fell off my bike, and it's unacceptable, really, to tell you the truth. So something like that.
Because I was trying to follow you, man.
When I screwed up on the road and went off the road.
Tried to push past them once,
past me. Like,
and I just like went into a G out in the.
Oh yeah, but
It had like a little bit of
navigation. I see that.
side to it, and the thing just popped up like this.
Oh, that's my chance, man. Because you're gonna push me.
Yeah.
I need your energy.
So have about 20 minutes.
It's day 6, Baja Rally 2025. Got the overall lead after Colton made some navigation errors yesterday, and unfortunately had a little bit of a get off. But we've had an amazing battle all week, and it's been really fun riding and battling with one of my best buds. And you know, Baja Rally is just a great event. You know, came into the event not knowing a bunch of people and leaving with forever friends. So stoked to be here, stoked to start day 6, end up back in San Quintin, and looking forward to 2026 already. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
It's on now.
How you guys doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Yeah, it feels good to be back on my dirt bike.
What up, dirt bike enthusiast? Ciaran Naran here with Colton Udall, stage 6 at the 2025 Baja Rally. Sitting first overall after Colty made a few mistakes yesterday. Actually a big navigation mistake and then a small crash which set him back about 40 minutes on yesterday's stage. So we're heading into stage 6. I got about a 20-minute gap over him. But it's not over till I cross that finish line today. So it's been an epic week battling with the dirt bike enthusiast mastermind himself, Colton Udall, and already looking forward to battling with him for 2026.
First time at Baja Rally, freaking dethrones the 24 champ. Good job, Ciaran.
Thank you, Colty.
I'm
I had fun
happy.
battling and riding with you all week, dude. It was unreal memory.
Yeah, I'm happy to share it with you. Yeah, thanks for building my confidence back up back there. Yeah, that was a fun little stage.
We did it. It was a fun little stage.
Number
it was
one.
rocky.